Welcome back to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. In my last video, I have talked about a particular plane which gets completed through numbers, through few numbers if they sit side by side, which is 276, which is the last vertical line in your Losho grid, which is called action plane. And I have talked about when people have these numbers appearing in their birth chart, what are the traits, personality they show, and what are the role, what are the impact of these numbers sitting together in your birth chart. And today I'm going to talk about another plane. There are total 8 planes in your birth chart, 3 horizontal, 3 vertical, and 2 diagonal. So I'm going to make 8 videos total, and in each video I'm going to talk about each plane one by one, so that you can understand the details of these planes, how they perform, what are the traits people show, what are the role impact in your life. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this video with your friends, family, so that everybody can be notified out of it. So today I'm going to talk about a plane which gets completed with 3 numbers, which is 816, which is the last horizontal line in your Losho grid. If you can see the Losho grid on your screen, this is the last horizontal line in your birth chart. So this is called practical plane. So 816, if they come together, they form this plane, the last line, which is called the practical plane. So what does this 816 mean? 8 is ruled by the planet called Saturn, 1 is ruled by the planet called Sun, and 6 is being ruled by the planet called Venus. So all this power of these planets come together, they make this practical plane, which is the last horizontal line of your birth chart or Losho grid. So as the name suggests, these people are very, very practical. They will not trust anybody. They will only trust themselves. Based on their research, based on their data, they will believe or come to a conclusion. For everything, they want to have detailed analysis. They want to find logic. They want to find science. They want to get deep into it, and then they believe that particular thing. Naturally, they don't trust anybody. When people say something, they will first do their own research, and then if the answer or the logic is correct, then they will believe. They want to explore everything of themselves, and then they come to a conclusion. They want to experience everything of their own, want to do their own research, want to dig into the depth of it, and then they will believe. Naturally, they don't believe easily to others. They only believe in themselves. These people are very good at research work, data-oriented work, because you need a lot of research, lot of data digging in this particular job. Apart from this, they can do very well in financial sector or banking sector, because in this plane, in this line, 8 is there. 8 is being ruled by the planet called Saturn, and Saturn governs the financial or the money sector. Apart from this, these people can make very good charter accountant, CA. Yes, they can do very well as a charter accountant. Let me give an example to explain this. Suppose if somebody is having this numbers completed in their birth chart from your friends, family, whosoever, check that out and ask them for a trip. Let's say you plan for a trip and ask them to join. Before joining the trip, they will ask 100 questions. Where to go, when to go, where to meet, who all are going, how we are going, what are the mode of transportation, what are the budget, how you're going to manage it, what are the things we are going to see, and so many things. I'm not saying these are bad. These are very practical questions to be asked. But not that everybody will ask these questions. But these people who are having this 816, they will definitely ask all these questions. And if the logic, the science fits well with them, then only they will commit for the trip or the work you have asked for. He is also coming from a very practical window. So you have to understand their point of view as well. So these people are basically very, very practical, and they will only do their own research and then commit to something. I'll give you a very real life example of a real life hero of our country, our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He's born on 2nd of October 1869. So on your screen, the birth chart, you can see from the birth date that 816, all these three numbers are appearing in his birth chart. We all know how he led our country, but somehow or the other, I believe that his practical approach, his research oriented approach came handy while or during the movement. So, my point is, if you are having these numbers in your birth chart, or if your friends and family, anybody who's having these numbers, please suggest them. Or if it's appearing in your birth chart, know it now, know your strength now, and explore and work towards it. I would say that the profession I have mentioned, you try to do those kind of profession, you can shine better, you can be more successful in life, and thus you can actually get the power of all these three numbers. That's all for today. That's all for today for the practical plane. Next week I'll come with another plane, explain that, and till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.